Train wrecks can be catastrophic, especially when cars are carrying hazardous materials like the disaster seen here in Quebec last summer, which almost destroyed an entire town. Since then, many red flags have been raised about trains carrying crude oil and other dangerous cargo. News 4's Luke Moretti has more on the latest push now to bring protection up to speed.
We're already behind it, but we've got to get on top of it.
Outgoing National Transportation Safety Board Chairman Deborah Hersman had some strong words about the rail industry and the dramatic increase in tank cars carrying oil and ethanol on the tracks.
You now have an entire train of 100 cars carrying millions of gallons of this hazardous liquid coming through many communities.
Hersman says regulators are behind the curve and says shipments of ethanol and crude have increased over 440% in the past several years.
Our communities aren't prepared to respond to this. This can be a worst-case scenario event, and we don't have provisions in place of how to deal with it, either on the industry side or for the first responders.
For months, News 4 has been investigating oil train concerns. Hundreds of tank cars carrying flammable liquid roll through the Buffalo area every day. Erie County's Emergency Services Commissioner says first responder training set for this summer will be enhanced.
It'll deal with any of the concerns or the process of handling this extra volatile material that is going to be coming out of the South Dakota area.
And that's new, right? I mean, this is all new.
This is a new component of that. I'm guessing that it's something that's a direct result of people asking a lot of questions, and there being some concern with regards to, responding to these.
The National Transportation Safety Board is holding a 2-day forum on rail safety specific to the transportation of crude oil and ethanol. Luke Moretti, News 4.